right. Welcome to dividing algebraic fractions or complex fractions. Double story, single, double story, and so on, right? For easier looking, you can just go ahead and do that. Because some of you, you're so, I don't want to use bad language, but you would just do this for me. That's not right. Soren loves doing that. That's not right. Okay. So I have a division happening. I will first look at the numerator, and I will write it on margins or on scratch paper and just deal with that. So that's my numerator. Understood? Oh, why are you looking at me and not writing? So, where are your glasses, Max? Everybody sees what I'm doing, right? Okay, Tim, what's the common denominator for these two guys?
X squared.
Correct. So this guy has it, this one needs it. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. Good job. So x squared, as Tim said, and then this will become an x, and this is x minus 2. Got it? It's pretty easy. So I'm done with the numerator. Fraction bar, and writing my numerator on the fraction bar. I combine them, right? Instead of up, down, up, one up, and one down. Understood? Okay. Now let me deal with the bottom. Octavian, what's the common denominator for this combination?
X.
Correct. This one has it, this one doesn't, so it needs an x, needs an x. So that becomes x squared minus 3 over x. That is my denominator. I'm still in the field of complex fractions. Big deal! Fraction bar is the division sign, and I'm going to rewrite them horizontally. X over 2, x minus 2 divided by x squared divided by x squared minus 3 over x. I have some students who would just reduce. First of all, you don't have that right to reduce because you're dividing. We can only reduce when we multiply. Thank you. But, some kids, they would just take this guy out. Well, that's like, that's the biggest sin ever because you don't have just x squared there. You have x squared minus 3, okay? So I am going to multiply them because that's how you divide fractions. You actually multiply by the reciprocal, which is the fraction flipped, the second one, never the first one, always the second one. Okay, and then I look, can I reduce anything?
Yes.
Yes, thank you so much. Good job. So that's a 1, and that's an x. So in the numerator, I'll have x minus 2. And in the denominator, sometimes students like Kareem, they'll just write like this. And I want to say, what's wrong with you, boy? Like this. It's distributive property. You're multiplying 1x by the parentheses. Every time, by the way, guys, you have a combination, a difference or a sum, if you put them in parentheses, you're always safe. You're not adding, subtracting, you're just kind of viewing it as a block, okay? So if you did distributive property here, awesome, it wouldn't do anything. There's nothing else you can reduce here, understood? Vlad would indeed try to reduce these guys, but we know that that's Vlad's tendency, right, to make a mistake like that. So we're like, no. That is the final answer. Does this make sense? Okay, now you will practice. Thank you.